Okay, hello guys. So this isn't really a part of any video, it's not an episode, it's just to show you why these cuts here are so important. Now, I was just working on this piece and actually about halfway done. And I was like, came in here. There, oops. Okay, as I came in here, there's a slight split that runs down here. And I don't know if I can show you that. I'll try that. Maybe you can see about right there. There's a split. Now, if these cuts weren't in there, that split could run a distance into your workpiece, and that could ruin it. This is still manageable, I think. Shouldn't be really much of a problem, but without these cuts in here, the split would travel further. With the cuts, it can only travel that short distance, and that's why they're important. So that was all I wanted to show here, and I might include this in video. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but for now, yeah, that's it.